Vandiyadevan bids his goodbyes to the astrologer and heads towards river Arisan. As he rides on his horse, he enjoys the beautiful scenery which is wonderfully described by Kalki Krishnamurti. பசும் பயிர் வயல்களும் இஞ்சி மஞ்சள் கொள்ளைகளும் கரும்பு வாழைத் தோட்டங்களும் மாறி மாறி வந்து கொண்டே இருந்தன. ஓடைகளில் அல்லியும் குவளையும் காடாக பூத்து கிடந்தன. கிராமங்களில் வீட்டு வாசலை சுத்தமாக மெழுகி பெருக்கி தரையை கண்ணாடி போல் வைத்திருந்தார்கள். சில வீடுகளின் வாசல்களில் நெல் உலர போட்டிருந்தார்கள். அந்த நெல்லை கோழிகள் வந்து குத்தி தின்றுவிட்டு கொக்கரக்கோ என்று கத்திக்கொண்டு திரும்பி போயின. வீட்டு கூரைகளின் மேல் பெண் மயில்கள் உட்கார்ந்து கூவ அதை கேட்டு ஆண்மயில்கள் தோகையை தூக்க முடியாமல் தூக்கிக் கொண்டு சிவ்வென்று பறந்து போய் அப்பெண் மயில்களுக்கு பக்கத்தில் அமர்ந்தன.
Vandiyadevan, riding on his horse, enjoyed all these sights, but his thoughts were slightly drifting to Kundavai. Who was she? Why didn't she utter a single word to me? Why did she ignore me? Our hero continued riding with his thoughts occupying his mind. As he was nearing the river Arisan, Vandiyadevan heard sounds of women laughing. The women were completely hidden by the thick groves of trees growing on the bank. He peered into the trees, trying to locate the woman who made the noise. All of a sudden, he hears them screaming, "Help! Help! A crocodile!" Our hero then whipped his horse and rushed towards the place where he heard the screaming, and he spotted the ladies near a lake. Their faces were filled with fright, and to his surprise, two of the faces seemed to be very familiar. These were the two women whom I met at the astrologer's place. But that was not all. Something else had caught his attention. It was the crocodile. Vandiyadevan quickly took a careful aim and threw the spear from his hand. The spear pierced the crocodile and entered its hide. Our hero now jumped off his horse, took out his sword and rushed to the crocodile to finish it off in one stroke. Now Vandiyadevan suddenly heard all the girls laughing. Vandiyadevan was confused. Why are they laughing? They could have died any moment. He turned to see the faces of those women. None of them seemed to be frightened. Our poor hero felt shamed and humiliated. One of the girls among them, yes, our Kundavai, screamed, "Girls, stop it. Why are you making fun of him?" Kundavai then confidently went and stood in front of the crocodile as if she was guarding it. And she said, "Sir, I'm really thankful to you, but please don't bother yourself.